Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to show you some Dollar Tree gold rim chargers that I've been seeing on Instagram, and I just decided to grab a few because they looked really good online. So I ordered them online because I couldn't get them in store, and I finally got them in. These are really nice chargers. They are not glass, they are plastic, but they have a really nice gold rim. They provide an upscale look, which I really like. I'm gonna probably be pairing this with a event in a couple of weeks, and I hope that it pairs well because it really looks good. The only drawback was getting these stickers off was quite challenging, but I made it through. As you can see, it took a while to get these off, and even after I scrubbed with my Scrub Daddy, it still left a residue. And I tried Easy Off, I tried Glue Be Gone, and I tried hand sanitizer, and I was still scrubbing. So that was the only drawback to it. It did leave a circle ring, as you can see, on the plate around it. So I'm going to try to scrub it off a little bit later, but let me know what you guys think about this new charger that Dollar Tree has placed on their website. Let me know if you've got them. I'm going to be pairing this again, like I said, with the boho theme. So I'm going to be double charging it. I'm going to use the boho placemat, and then I'm going to use this charger. And then I'm going to add, of course, napkins. And I'm thinking that I'm going to either pair it with this pastel pink napkin. Of course, it will be ironed. Either a L'Amour satin white napkin, which I recently got. I thought maybe that would look good too. It's not shown here. And then I was thinking probably a pastel or baby pink napkin shown here with the gemstone napkin ring. And then I also really liked the hot pink napkin. Now that really caught my attention because it just vibes differently. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what napkin you would pick for this look. I am looking forward to your comments, and then letting me know if you also received this charger. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.